Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share a few coffee table decor ideas and tips on how to stage or decorate your coffee table. So let's jump in. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So this is the final look. I just got this coffee table. I got it from Wayfair. Most of the items on this coffee table, they're from Wayfair. So I'm gonna go through each pieces. This box I got from Z Gallery. I got it on sale to store all the remotes. That's the remote for the fireplace. So to keep everything organized and not scattered all over the place. I purchased these coasters at Marshall's for about $6, and that crystal clear heart, I got that for $9.99. And this Starburst decor piece, I also got that for $9.99 as well. That's my little princess right there. This candle was purchased at Bath and Body Works. They recently just had a candle sale, and with an additional 20% off, I got this candle for $11. The scent is Sundress, I believe. It's like pink and purple color on the outside of the candle. I took off the label that goes around it, to give it a clean look, but the scent is beautiful. I highly recommend. This beautiful vase, I should say basket weave vase, was purchased off Wayfair. This vase is just gorgeous. It gives it the right texture and look that I want as a centerpiece for my coffee table. So if you're looking to purchase this, you could get it off Wayfair. While decorating my coffee table, I wanted it to be functional as well as to serve as a statement piece in my living room. So those were the two key features that I thought about while decorating my coffee table. So when I decided to go ahead and purchase a coffee table for my living room, I said I wanted a piece that was not too overbearing in the space because it's small. So I decided to go with a glass with this it has like a plastic feet, to give it that nice open feel in the living room. I don't want it to feel too cluttered and closed in. So this piece actually keeps it open and airy and elegant. So that's one of the ideas of why I chose this coffee table. Another tip on decorating your coffee table is try to visualize what it is that you want your coffee table to look like. What type of colors, what kind of textures, and the type of feel that you want for your living room area. While coming up with the ideas to decorate my coffee table, I wanted to implement both masculine and feminine pieces on the table. I didn't want it to be too much of anything, but a nice balance of texture and color, to kind of, have a balance. Everything is balanced. So when you're decorating your coffee table, think about balance. If you want, natural elements, if you want metals, crystals, just think about those features when you're decorating your coffee table. So guys, this is it. I hope you were inspired and were able to obtain a few tips and tricks on how to decorate your coffee table. Again, I appreciate you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I'll see you on the next video.